This is a press briefing by Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, Algon, Rivers State Chapter. We are drawing the attention of the general public against the planned protests by the immediate past local government chairmen, former assembly members, and National Assembly members loyal to the FCT Minister, Chief Wike, against the Nigerian police force manning the 23 local government councils across the state. The planned protest is not in the interest of the local government areas and the state in its entirety. Rather, it is a calculated attempt by these enemies of our dear state to paint the state in bad light, unleash mayhem while at it, and to further buttress their inordinate call for the declaration of a state of emergency in our dear state. We emphatically state that we, the Association of Local Government of Nigeria, Algon, Rivers State Chapter, and our people are in support of the police decision to take control and protect all local government council secretariats until further directive on the matter. We want to categorically state that we are not in any way linked to the planned protest, as it is inimical to the progress and well-being of the people of Rivers State, considering the sinister plots by some desperate politicians to take advantage under the guise of protests to cause chaos and destabilize governance in our state. Therefore, we call on all law-abiding citizens of our dear state to discountenance the planned protests and to go about their lawful businesses. We wish to place on record that should there be a breakdown of law and order as a result of the planned protests, the organizers and their sponsors as enlisted above should be held responsible. We want to thank the good people of Rivers State for their continued support for the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminala Fubara, GSSROS, and his administration, which is delivering the dividends of democracy to Rivers people. Thank you, and God bless you. Signed by Honorable Ichemati, Phalga, Dame Honorable Anengi Baraswa Wilkos, Bonnie, Honorable Cookie Game India, Opoponkoro, Right Honorable Evans BP, Ogubolo, Honorable Mereji Chinedu David, Emoga, Reginald G. Ekan, Andoni, Honorable Anthony Sobreko Degema, Chief Brian A.E. Gopa Eleme, Honorable Kenneth Payden Gokana, Honorable D.K. Matthew Tai, Barrister Otamere John Ngubo, Eche, Dr. Oji Talented Kelga, Honorable Ejekwe Prince Will Onelga, Barrister Otonye Briggs Akuga, Ambassador Chijoke Ihunwo Obiakpo, Honorable Promise Reginald Omoma, Honorable Madigi Dixon Abua Odua, Honorable Green Daddy John Ahoda West, Honorable Happy Bennett Ahoda East, Honorable Philip Gogo Oyibo, Honorable Orolosama Amakre Asauga, Honorable Princess Ibiene Ogan Okrika, and Ambassador Marvin Yobana Kana.